This is a quick video of the Allen's Pine and Honey Balsam that I've told you about previously on my blog. It's a traditional herbal remedy used for relief of symptoms of coughs, colds and bronchitis. So as I was saying, this cough mixture is excellent. I mean, it's got no chemicals in it whatsoever. Let me just tell you what ingredients it has in here. It has something called, I can't really pronounce it, Ipecac. I can't really pronounce it, but anyway, this is what it looks like. So it's got licorice inside. So if you don't like licorice, then you might not like the taste. It's got licorice liquid extract and squill oxymel. But these are natural ingredients. Adults can use it, and children can use it as well. But I know that small children can't actually have honey, so is for relief of some symptoms of cough, cold and bronchitis. Take the mixture by mouth, sipping slowly for best effect. Adults and the elderly, the elderly and children over 12 years. So do not give to children under 12 years old unless your doctor tells you to. I know that small children can't actually have honey, so this, yeah. But this is what I use when I've got a cough. I use natural remedies most of the time. I don't actually like to use chemicals in my body. So as natural as I can get, and this is very effective. I mean, I used to work at Holland & Barrett, so what it is I used to have loads of customers coming in buying this, and we used to sell out all the time. So one time I said to one of the customers, is this really good? And he was like, yeah, this is fantastic, I love it. It works effectively and you only need to use it a few times. And I thought, oh my goodness, this must be really good. So one day I bought one bottle because I wanted to try it out to see what it was all about. And it was very effective on a really dry chesty cough that I had. Well, it was kind of dry in the throat, but my chest was kind of tickling. So I took it, and it's very good. It's very effective. I think it's excellent. No chemicals whatsoever in it. It's just got licorice and some other thing that I can't pronounce. It looks a bit, I'm not entirely sure where that's. But I'll write it down when I actually write the description about it. But yeah, that's it. That's the one I've been telling you about all this time. So there it is now. You might want to try it. And it's very sort of dark inside, and it looks, but it smells nice. And it's if you like licorice, you'll definitely like this. I like licorice, so I like it.